So now that we've fixed all our prisms and we created all our parts, we need to actually go back into the assembly. And if you saw my sneak peek, the assembly now is not broken, it just needs to be retoleranced or put back into the proper space. And there's a way to do this. So the first thing we want to do is turn so that we see the rectangular prism, which is the blue, and the first L-shaped prism, L-shaped prism 1. Let's go ahead and let's take out of view the L-shaped prism 2. So we click on the little eyeball and it's gone. Now we'll move this in the direction it needs to be moved, and we see that it'll do that. And we can now twist and we can see how it is off. So we're off in this direction. And down here, there's a wonderful little measuring tool. And we can measure from this edge to this edge. And we can see that in this case, it's off in the Z 0.33. However, when we open up the slider mate, we're going to be seeing a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and edit the slider mate. And we see in the slider mate that that Z is equivalent. See how the Z is here? This Z is equivalent to the Y. So we're off on the Y 0.333. Actually, we can make that negative if it goes in the wrong direction, and those should line up. And we can go ahead and save that. Now it's time to bring back in we're going to bring back in the L-shaped prism 2. We're going to make a measurement from the top of the rectangular prism to that edge. And we will see that it is off 0.333. So we go to when we go to the slider mate, we can edit it. And we can see that's in the Y positive 0.333. And oh, sorry, I put in the X. So 0.333. Let's turn this X back to 0. Enter. And now we just have to solve from here to here. So we're going to go ahead and turn this back off. And we can find that measure by rotating a little bit, getting in a really good position, and clicking on this edge to this edge. And that's 0.667. So we come back here, we go to edit, and we type in negative 0.667. And we have now solved our puzzle. We'll click back here on the front into the upper right-hand corner of the front. And now we'll try by pulling this way, and it works. And we'll pull this way, and it works. There you go. You're done.